Oliver the Hedgehog makes British Christmas mince pies. Today we travel to United Kingdom. Kids, in the United Kingdom, Christmas feels warm even when it is cold outside. And one tiny hedgehog named Oliver wants to bake something very special. Christmas mince pies. They are small pies, but they smell very important. Small things often carry the biggest joy. Oliver, add 1 cup flour into the bowl. Now sprinkle 2 spoons sugar and a pinch of salt. It looks like soft snow. Now add 4 spoons cold butter. Rub it gently with your paws until it looks crumbly. Kids, this makes the dough soft and flaky. Now add 3 spoons cold milk, 1 spoon at a time. It is turning into dough. When it sticks together gently, stop mixing. Wrap it and let it rest. Rest time is my favorite time. Now we make the filling. Add half cup chopped raisins, half cup dried cranberries, and 2 spoons brown sugar. That is my family. Ha ha ha. Now add 1 spoon orange juice and a pinch cinnamon. Kids, this filling smells fruity and warm. Roll the dough gently. Cut small circles for the base. They look like tiny beds for the filling. Exactly, add 1 spoon filling to each. Do not overfill or I will escape. Kids, a grown-up helps with the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. They are smiling. That means they are ready. Crispy outside, sweet inside. I told you, small pies, big happiness. Kids, Christmas cooking teaches us patience, sharing, and joy. Like, share, and subscribe to RiRo Kids Tales for Christmas yummy treats and cakes recipe for kids.